Hello everyone, I hope you well. Today I am talking about some cooking oils and fats that are bad for our heart. They are called worst cooking oils and fats for heart because they increase risk of heart disease, they increase risk of stroke and type 2 diabetes. Therefore, we must avoid these worst cooking oils and fats like butter, cream, lard, shortening, steamed margarine, and some tropical oils like palm oil and coconut oil. We must avoid these oils and fats because they contain high percentage of saturated fat and trans fat. Some cooking oils and fats that contain high percentage of saturated fat and trans fat, they are bad for our heart and overall our health because they increase bad cholesterol level in our blood, I mean LDL level in the blood, and also they cause heart disease and stroke. And these oils and fats remain in solid condition at room temperature. Now I am talking about some saturated fat. Saturated fat normally we can get from them from some animal source foods and tropical oils. As for example, beef fat, lamb, pork, poultry with skin, lard, cream, butter, cheese, ice cream, coconut oil, palm oil, and palm kernel oil. Now talking about the trans fat are broadly classified into two types. One is naturally occurring, another is artificial. Naturally occurring trans fat we can get from milk and meat product, but we get a very small percentage of trans fat from milk and meat product. And artificial trans fat, they are industrially produced. Normally when hydrogen is added to liquid vegetable oils, it is called hydrogenation process. Then these liquid vegetable oils are transformed into trans fat. Example, butter, cream, lard, shortening, steamed margarine. We must avoid this saturated and trans fat because they are bad for our heart and overall our health because they increase bad cholesterol level, I mean LDL level in our blood. They lower good cholesterol level, I mean HDL level in our blood. And they increase risk of heart disease and stroke. And also they increase risk of type 2 diabetes. Therefore, we must avoid this saturated and trans fat to keep our body healthy. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye for today. Thank you.